So the first fable is the stag at the pool. Stag means a male deer. One day a beautiful stag came to a pool of a clear water. As he bent down to drink, he saw his own reflection. Reflection means to see our own image in the mirror or the water. So his own reflection in the water. He was delighted with what he saw. Delighted means happy. Instead of drinking water, he kept looking at his own reflection. In this fable, one day a beautiful deer came to pool to drink of water. As he bent down to drink the water, he saw his own image in the water. He was very happy to see his reflection. Instead of drinking water, he kept looking at his own reflection. How handsome I look, he said to himself. How beautiful are these curving antlers. Antler means horns that grow on the head of the male deer. जो उनके सिंग होते हैं हिरन के, उसे कहा गया है curving antlers. He said to himself that how handsome I look. How beautiful are these curving antlers, and how these antlers add beauty to my personality. How graceful they look means how beautiful they look. They means his curving antlers. Then he moved near and saw his legs reflected in the pool. He moved slowly towards water to drinking. He saw his legs reflected in the pool. He was quite disgusted. Disgusted means not happy. He was bit of not happy. Look at my legs. Oh, they are so ugly. He said to himself that see how my legs are. They are so ugly, all spindly with small feet, spindly with very long and thin. How I wish that nature had given me legs worthy of my stately antlers. He said to himself that his legs are very spindly, and he wished that the nature had given the legs worthy. Worthy means deserving respect और admiration. मतलब उसे ख्वाहिश थी कि जैसे उसके एंटलर्स है वैसे ही खूबसूरत उसकी जो लेग्स है वो होती. Children, look in this image that this stag seeing his own reflection in the water, and he is very happy with his antler, this curving antlers, and he was not happy with his thin legs. As he was brooding in this way, the stag heard an arrow going swish across the pool. Brooding means thinking sadly for a long time. He was very upset that his legs are very spindly or thin. At the same time, he heard an arrow going swish, means to move quickly through the air, making a soft rushing sound. At the same time, he picked up the scent of the hunters. Scent of the hunters means he smells the hunters. That time he picked up the smell of these hunters. With a quick turn, he bounded away. Means quickly he ran with long steps. Bounded means running with long steps. His legs carried him swiftly. Swiftly means running with high speed. Means his legs help him to run very fast in the forest. The hunters were hot on his trail. Hot on his trail means very close to him, about to catch him. The hunters were very close to this beautiful stag, but they were no match for his speed. Means because of his legs, he run very fast in the forest and hunters could not find him. Soon the stag left the hunters far behind. The hunters left. The hunter was very far to him. The stag left the hunters far means उन्हें वो बहुत ही दूर छोड़ के भाग गया. Safe and out of the hunter's reach, the stag slowed down. He slowed down when he see that he is safe from the hunters. Suddenly, without realizing it, he walked into a thicket. Thicket means a large group of trees. The large group of trees growing close together. There were trees with strong branches growing closer together, and alas, the same antlers of which he was so proud got caught in the thick growth. Means वो हंटर्स के पास से अपनी जान छुड़ा के भाग गया, लेकिन वो कहाँ पहुँच गया? थिकेट में. थिकेट मीन्स वो पूरे घने जंगल में पहुँच गया और जिस एंटलर्स पे उसे बहुत ही नाज था उसी की वजह से वो पूरे थिकेट में फंस गया. The stag tried to shake himself free, but more he struggled, the more entangled his antlers got in the branches. Means the stag tried to shake himself. He wants to free himself from this thicket, but the more he struggle means the more he try hard to entangle himself. Entangle in the thicket. Entangle means got caught in something means इसमें ये फंस गया था उसका एंटलर्स. वो उसे बहुत छुड़ाने की कोशिश किया, लेकिन जितना वो उसे छुड़ाने की कोशिश कर रहा था वो उतने ही फंसते जा रहे थे. Once again the stag could hear the hunters drawing close and grew afraid. Once again stag heard that hunters coming near to him and grew afraid, and he was afraid to be killed. At last, with a great difficulty, he managed to free his antlers and bounded away. At last, with a great difficulty, he managed to free himself from this thicket and bounded away. Bounded means run with long steps. I